and welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is August 26th, 2025, and we're diving into Citi Trends' second quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. Citi Trends, a leading off-price value retailer, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here to discuss Citi Trends' performance and their strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Citi Trends reported total sales of $190.8 million for the second quarter, marking an 8% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by a 9.2% increase in comparable store sales, which is quite impressive. This was fueled by increased customer traffic and higher transaction volumes. The company's focus on its core African American customer base and the introduction of more trend-leading merchandise have been pivotal in driving these results.
And what about profitability? How did Citi Trends perform in terms of margins?
Citi Trends achieved a gross margin of 40.0%, the highest second quarter rate since fiscal 2021. This improvement was due to reduced markdowns, better shrink results, and increased full-price selling. Additionally, the company reported a net income of $3.8 million, which includes a significant gain from the sale of their Savannah office building.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Citi Trends reported SG&A expenses of $78.9 million. How does this compare to last year, and what does it indicate about their operational strategy?
The SG&A expenses increased slightly from last year, reflecting the costs associated with processing higher sales and increased incentive compensation. However, the company has managed to maintain a strong cash position of $50.4 million with no debt, which is a positive indicator of their financial health.
Looking ahead, what is Citi Trends' outlook for the rest of fiscal 2025?
The company has raised its fiscal 2025 guidance, expecting full-year comparable store sales growth in the mid to high single digits. They also anticipate a gross margin expansion of 210 to 230 basis points, driven by inventory efficiency improvements and supply chain enhancements. This optimistic outlook suggests that Citi Trends is well-positioned for sustainable growth.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Ken Seipel has been vocal about the company's strategic transformation. Can you elaborate on his comments and the strategic initiatives in place?
Ken Seipel highlighted the company's strategic framework of repair, execute, and optimize, which has been instrumental in driving consistent performance improvements. The focus has been on refining processes, strengthening capabilities, and optimizing operations. In the second quarter, Citi Trends remodeled 19 stores and closed one, ending the period with 590 locations. This strategic approach is aimed at capturing additional market share and delivering shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Citi Trends has delivered a strong second quarter performance with significant sales growth and margin expansion. Their strategic initiatives and focus on core customers are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Citi Trends as an investment prospect?
Citi Trends is showing promising signs of sustainable growth with its strategic initiatives and improved financial metrics. The raised guidance for fiscal 2025 further underscores their confidence in continued success. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Citi Trends' performance in the comments below. Until next time.